Hello everyone, my name is Roberto Napolitano. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Innovate Finance. I think there are three elements to this question. The first thing that I can mention is real-time personalization, so making sure that you can leverage your transactions data, behavioral signals from your customers so that you can provide insightful notifications to them. The second one that I'd like to mention is AI-driven recommendations, so using, for example, and many fintechs are using that, using AI to tailor product suggestions, budgeting tools, financial tips for their customers based on their data. And then having more proactive engagement with your customers with predictive analytics, so understanding your customer needs before they request you with these solutions. First thing is to use the data that you have to lead change. So this data could be about customer feedback, NPS scores, so satisfaction scores for new customers, as well as their customer journeys to understand what change you need to make. The second thing is more an internal element, which is understanding or creating innovation core teams within the company. And this innovation team can work across different functions of the business, and that could help transform an organization. And then the final one is, of course, this is very important also for marketing, is to test and learn and scale any activities that you're doing. So evaluate impact and the performance of marketing campaigns and invest in those that are getting more traction, and you get higher performance for those. Well, I usually look at three main core metrics. The first one would be the customer lifetime value, so understanding, for example, the long-term revenue impact of your marketing and engagement efforts. So this is very important, understanding the value that your customers are bringing and the value that your marketing is bringing to those customers. The second element is more about conversion and retention rates. So it's important for any organization to retain clients and attract new clients. So understanding what are the best performing campaigns that you're running at retaining customers and acquiring new customers. And then the final one, always having a look at the financial element of your campaign, so cost effectiveness, so looking at the cost per acquisition, so acquiring a new customer, how much that costs business, and also attribution. As much as possible, try to attribute your marketing efforts into lead generation. So what is the attribution of specific campaigns into bringing new customers on board? I'm actually looking at the present time, and I know that AI is really at the center of financial services and fintech at the moment. And I will actually start with that. So I'm looking at, for example, conversational AI, voice-enabled AI, so tools that customers can use to recreate how they would interact otherwise with financial services, and that could help effectiveness and cost effectiveness and the speed of delivery of the products. And then the second would be more about behavioral analytics, understanding the behaviors of your customers. So having deeper insights into your customer habits so that you can provide the solution that they're looking for, and AI can help in this. And then the final part is very important in terms of technology, but also process, is embedded finance. So embedded finance is basically providing a seamless solution, a seamless access to financial services to customers at different platforms. So I think this is where we can actually see a massive improvement in the next few months. I mean, we're already experiencing incredible embedded finance solutions today, but I think with AI, with machine learning, I think we can actually see a massive development here.